In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup to organize your marketing work easily. Managing campaigns and tasks in Clickup helps your team stay aligned. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace for your marketing team. In the Space section, select the space where you want to set up your marketing workflow and click the three dots next to it. This will open up extra settings and options. Choose Templates from the list of options. This helps you set up ready-made structures for your marketing tasks. Click Browse Templates to see the different templates available. ClickUp has plenty of useful templates for various needs. In the search bar, type Marketing and you'll see different templates for marketing. For this video, I will choose Marketing Campaign Management to manage all campaign tasks. Click Use Template to apply it to your space. You can now customize it for your own campaigns and start collaborating. And that's how to use ClickUp for marketing teams. If you learned something today, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!